2011 Ford F-150 V6 XLT. What we got done on for you guys, something different. It's got factory converters there and there. We haven't done many V6s, so this is a good one. It's got true duals. We did true duals. He wanted it to scream, so we said, okay, we can make it scream. So we put them a 2-inch pipe all the way in the middle into 2 1/4 tailpipes, mandrel bent, there and there, into 5-inch angle cut tips, right there and right there. There's the whole system we cut off. There's the resonator, the flex pipe, the muffler, and the tailpipe. All that came off of it, and we replaced it with that. True dual system. Came out really nice, really beautiful, as you guys can see. Hope you guys like it. Let us know if you do. Comment and subscribe by commenting and subscribing if you like the sound. And like always, thanks for everything you guys do for us by watching these videos. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It's so loud. Is that what you guys were looking for? Hell yeah. And at idle, you barely hear it. It's bad, it's dirty. Oh my God. That thing is so loud. I don't think this camera gives it justice. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Man, it's so loud it cleared up my ears. I had a sinus like from the... There's everything we cut off, by the way, guys. It cleared it all out from how loud it is. Look how far he's about 2 miles up the street and he still can hear it. You can still hear it. That's awesome.